video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving polynomial with the Casio fx-991 classwiz calculator or Casio fx-570 classwiz calculator, the black one and not the white one of Casio fx-991 plus. Now, after going through this video, you will be able to solve problems involving polynomials with the Casio fx-991 classwiz calculator easily in a matter of seconds for multiple choice questions. So guys, ensure you stay with me till the very end of this video. Okay, so before we get the Casio calculator and dive into the details of this video, let's quickly look at the questions we are going to solve together in this video. So as you can see, I have up to 4 questions here. I have up to 4 questions. You won't love to miss out in any one. So as you can see, this is the last one, the remainder upon division, the quotient of a polynomial. Then we have multiplication of polynomial. They also have addition and subtraction of polynomial. So guys, this video is loaded. Ensure you stick with me till the very end of this video so that you will get the full information. Don't miss out on any parts, because each part is extremely important, guys, as long as this polynomial is concerned. So ensure you stay with me to the end of this video. Okay, so this is the Casio calculator, the Casio fx-991 classwiz calculator. Okay, the first thing you have to do here is first to clear a calculator. That's the very thing you have to do first, guys. The essence of doing this is to wipe out whatever previous value or mode you might have put your calculator in before, because you might not recall that you have performed a previous calculation with your calculator or stored a particular number with it before. So to avoid unnecessary issues with the current calculation you want to do, you are advised to clear it so that it will be put in default mode. Because I often say this in almost all my videos. If you have watched some of my videos, the past or before, you get to know that I say these things often times. So guys, ensure you clear a calculator before you start solving a new problem like this one. Okay, so to clear, for those of you that don't know how to clear is simply press Shift button 9 for the instruction. Once you initialize all, you press 3, then equal to means yes, then you have to press AC key, but I usually press equal to again. Either one will work. So guys, this is how to clear. Having cleared this, then the next thing you have to do is to store a number, which I recommend to for people I teach. Now you can decide to work with any other number, but I recommend 2 because personally I worked with 2 for a long time and I have not found any error with it. So I recommend 2 for you guys to be at a safe side. Okay guys, let me know that. Let's quickly store 2 in this calculator. To store, so we press the number first, 2 it will display. Then to store, you press this button, STO stands for store. Then we want to store it as X, press this button. It indicates here that 2 has been stored as X in this calculator. Okay guys, having known that, let's add this polynomial. So question 1 says, if P of X equals this and P of X equals this, find I, P of X plus P of X. So we have to add this polynomial. Okay, to add the polynomial, guys, put it in bracket, very important. Don't just start imputing the values. Make sure that this is in bracket, very important, so that you will not have the wrong value as an answer. So we have 7x quickly, guys. 7x alpha x for x to come out. Then we have the power is raised to the power 5 there. Okay, minus 4x alpha x, okay, raised to the power 3 plus, I will try to be a bit fast with this guys so that we'll finish on time. 8x, okay, plus 3, oh, Remember, we are doing addition plus, then the next polynomial key of x, we have it to be 4x alpha x, okay, raised to power what? 5, right, minus 9 cube, that's 9s cube rather. You can choose to press shift this and to come out, sorry, bring out x first, alpha x, then you can press this and to come out, plus we have 11 s square, you press shift this, sorry guys, press, I didn't put x, then you can press this, okay. What do we have there? We have 15x alpha x, okay, minus 7, close the bracket, that's it. Let's press equal to, let's check if we didn't put anything before we press equal to. Yeah, it's correct, guys. So let's press equal to 310. So right now we're going to check the option that will give us 310. We're going to simplify the options now. Whichever option that gives us 310, this particular exact value will be our answer. Let's begin to option A, guys. Very, very simple. So option A, let's simplify. You have 11x alpha x raised to the power 5, okay, minus 13x alpha x, okay, cube, okay, plus 13x square, alright, plus 7x alpha x minus 4, right? So it's correct. Let's put equal to 310. So guys, our answer is what? Option A. But let's see, check option B and see if we have something closer or similar. But I doubt the answer is option A. But let's still verify, check option B. Let's quickly do the adjustments here. Okay, remove this. Sorry, we have to remove the plus and put minus for option B. Okay, what else do we need to do? Remove this here and put plus. Okay, I think it's correct. Yeah, let's press equal to 490. No, so let's check option C says none. Option D lastly. What else do we need to adjust? Remove this 4 and put 10. Option D, then remove this minus and put plus. That's the difference. Okay, remove this minus again here and put plus. What else do we need to remove? Remove the plus here and put minus. Hope I'm correct. Yeah, I'm correct. Okay, remove this plus again and put minus. I hope we are correct, guys. Yeah, it's correct. So press equal to 220. So guys, it's not correct. This value is wrong. So our answer is what? Option A, 310. So that's it for question 1. So let's go back to question 1II. So let's go to question 1II. Very, very simple, guys. So we have to subtract the polynomials. Subtract Q of x. So this typographical error. Q of x from P of x. Very, very simple, guys. So let's go back and impute this thing very fast. We have 7x alpha x. Let's put as 7. Okay. Raised to power 5. Quickly. Minus, we have 4x alpha x. Okay. Raised to power 3. Alright. Let's come down plus 2x. Okay, sorry. Plus 2x alpha x square. okay, minus 8x alpha x, okay, plus 3, close the brackets, hope it's correct here, minus, so what else we have? 4x raised to the power 5, okay, minus 9x cubed, okay, plus 11x alpha x square, that is correct here, plus 15x, okay, minus 7, close the brackets, yeah, so let's press the coordinates. We're going to have, okay, 64, so right guys, we got 64. We're going to check the option that will give us 64. Anyone that gives us 64 will definitely be the answer. Okay, now let's quickly check option A. What's option A? Okay, so it says 3x alpha x raised to the power 5, okay, minus 5s cubed. Oh, very interesting, guys. 5s cubed, okay, plus 9x raised to the power 2 plus 9x, okay, sorry, that puts 9 plus 23 x. Hope you are getting it. Let's check. Yeah, it's correct. Plus 10. Alright, so let's press go and see what this option A will give us. 148. No, it's wrong. We got 64. So option B says no. Let's check option C. Let's do the adjustments here. No time, guys. Let's do this thing fast and solve other questions. Let's remove this blue and put minus. Okay, let's remove the plus here and also put minus, and lastly let's put plus here. Yeah, 64. So guys, our answer is option C, 64. Let's check option D as well and check if we have something similar or closer. So let's do the adjustments and move minus here and put plus. Right, correct, yeah. Then the minus is still there, and just remove this plus here and put minus. That's option D. Yeah, 76. No, so our answer is what? Option C, 64. So that's it for the subtraction aspect of it. So let's go to question 2, guys. We're making progress. So question 2 says if p of x equals this and p of x equals this, fine. P of x, Q of x are the products of the polynomials. So quickly, in brackets, so P of x, we have it to be 8x alpha x, okay, raised to power 3, we come down minus 3x alpha x square, close the brackets. Okay, open on the bracket, since it's products, 5x alpha x, okay, it's power 4, come down, we have minus alpha x, sorry, I didn't put minus, we have minus alpha x square, right here is correct, plus 1, close the brackets. Okay guys, we are done. Let's press record and see where we have, okay, 4004. Okay, so right now I'm going to check the option and give us 4004. No one gives us this value will be our answer. Let's bring the option. Okay, option A says none. Let's check option B fast, guys. 40x alpha x raised to power 7. I wish somebody would be calling this thing for me, so I'll be very, very fast entering it here. Okay, minus 15x. Okay, raised to power 6. Okay, minus 8x. Okay, raised to power 5. Okay, guys, plus 3x raised to power 4. Okay, plus 8x alpha x plus 8, okay, raised to power 3. Right, lastly we have minus 3s squared. Okay, minus 3s squared, that's correct. In this coordinates we are going to have 4,004. That was what we got. Correct, so our answer is what, option B. Let's check option D before we finally go to the next question. Let's do the necessary adjustments. Remove this thing and put plus here. Okay, there is plus here, there is minus here. Remove this and put minus. Okay, there is plus here, put plus, and lastly there is plus here. Very interesting, guys. No, it's wrong. So the answer is option B, that gives us 4,004. Okay, guys, so far I have solved for the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, that's it for the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And let's go back to the quotient, which is the division part of it. Very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. Let me scroll up and bring out the remaining questions. Okay. Now, question 3 says, find the quotient of this polynomial. Now, before you solve question 3, if you're new to our channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to our channel. For more of our videos, also give this video a thumbs up to help the algorithm of this video. This is Eaglesclass. What we do basically here is that we help your scholars like you with tips and other necessary information that will help to simplify your academic problems for you. If short tips and information interest you, ensure you hit the subscribe button now for instant notifications, and also don't forget to give this video a like with a thumbs up now, guys. Very, very important. Okay, so having known that, let's go ahead and solve the question. We have to find the quotient. Now, when you have the word quotient, it implies division. Just like in differentiation and calculus, when you talk about, we have what we call quotient to, that's when derivative involves division. So when you have quotient generally in mathematics, it's talking about division. So find the quotient of this. So the 2 is stored here, is still effective. All you simply have to do is to use the division sign, guys. Don't go and use this one. Don't use this one, guys. I mean, you should don't go and use this one. Don't use this one. Use this one. This one is a precise one you should use for it. So just impute the polynomial for the numerator. We have 2x raised to power 3. Okay, come down, plus 3x alpha x square. Okay, plus 4x alpha x plus what again? 3. So divide by, let's check. We have x alpha x plus 1. Okay, so let's press equals and see what we're going to have now. Okay, let's press button. We have 13, guys. We have 13. Now I want you to take note of some terms in this division of polynomials. This number we got is what is called the quotient. These numerator values, they are called the dividend, whereas the denominator values, they are called the divisors. So that means this result 13 is a quotient, numerator dividend, then denominator is what? Divisor. So we have 13. So right now, let's simplify the option. Anyway, it gives us 13 will be the answer, guys. Very, very simple. Now let's check option A. We have the 2x alpha x square plus x alpha x plus 3. Let's see 13. So guys, the answer is what? Option A. But let's see, check option B. Let's put 2 here. Let's put 2 here and put 4 here. 4 here. 20. So answer is option A. So guys, but let me show you something now. If we are to use this pattern and see if we have the same results. 2s, sorry, we have cube, 2s cube. Okay, come down. We have plus 3 x square plus 3 square plus 4x. Okay, plus 3. Now let's use the division and see if we have something the same results. You see, guys, you have something next. That's why I say you should not use this pattern. If you use it, you will get the wrong value. So when it comes to quotients, don't make use of this division. Use this button for it. Very important, guys. Don't go and make such unnecessary mistake. That is for quotient. Well, lastly, let's look at the remainder upon division. That's question 4. It says the remainder upon division of this polynomial by 1 minus 7x is what? So guys, if you look closely, I outlined some things here for you guys to assist your understanding very, very well. So now when you have this kind of remainder question, the first thing you have to do is the number, the value that is dividing the polynomial, like here 1 minus 3x, and the value dividing the polynomial, you equate it to 0. Like I have here solution 1 minus 7 equals 0. When you equate it to 0, you don't make x the change of surface formula. So when you make x the change of surface formula here, this minus this one, what that will cause of the equality sign, I will change to minus 1. So we divide both sides by minus 7. The coefficient of minus 7 of x here, that's minus 7. Minus 7x here, the coefficient of x here is minus 7. When you divide it by the coefficient of x here, that's, you will be left with x will give equals to minus 1 over minus 7. So minus will cancel each other. So we have the value to be 1 over 1, guys. So since we have the value of x to be 1 over 7 from the change of solid formula here, we go ahead and store this number. It's as simple as that, guys. 1 over 7 to store it. Replace. Okay, guys, see, very important. Before you store, let's clear so that because we want to store a fresh number, press shift button 9 with instruction. So we are clear. So we go ahead and store 1 over 7. Very important, guys. Clear so that you'll be at the safe side. So we have stored 1 over 7 now after clearing. So remove the 2 we stored before. So let's go ahead now and need to store this polynomial. So input 7, we have alpha x raised to the power of 4. Okay. Minus alpha x raised to power 3. Okay, guys. Okay, minus 14x alpha x plus 2. Okay guys, so that's it. Now once you are done, you press record and you see your answer. This will what the answer will be 0. The option is option B, so the answer is 0. It's as simple as that, guys. So basically we have looked at how to solve addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, multiplication of products of polynomials. We looked at quotient of polynomials, and we looked at remainder of a polynomial upon division. So guys, I hope you learned something very interesting. So with this, you will be able to solve any problem involving basic polynomials you are given to solve with the Casio calculator in seconds. Even if you don't want to use calculator, it can help you to verify your answer if you are showing or working in whatever you are doing, or if you are solving a particular problem. So guys, with this, we are coming to the end of the class. If you are new to our channel once more, ensure you subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button now. For more of our videos, also like, share, and comment on this video to tell me how you feel. You know what I learned in this class. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I have just explained or thoughts in this class, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. That's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching this video. So you can create a calculator. Don't forget once you're done. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.